Hey, and welcome. My name is Darnell Nathaniel, and I want to invite you to this vending machine launch workshop that I'm doing. It's actually called the Vending Machine Launch Formula. And what I'm doing is teaching people how to launch their own business and how to get it started and what you'll need in order to start. And if you don't think that vending machines are huge right now, I just want you to check out this meme. It says, "Happy birthday. I got you a vending machine." And if you're familiar with this, that's actually a concept from the skit. There's a comedian that goes by the name of Country Wayne. And when I saw that, I was just like, wow, that's crazy, because even Country Wayne is doing skits about vending machines, right? That's what he does in the show. He sells vending machines. So I'm going to just break down real quick why you, why this, why me, right? And why now. And let me just change something real quick, and then I'll go ahead and hop into that right now. So I just want to, so you guys know that I mean business and what it's all about. So this is it right here, right? This is the workshop. So why you? Well, first of all, why you is because most people want to get into the vending machine business because of passive income. All the people that I've trained and I've worked with, almost all of them have talked about not wanting to, no longer wanting to trade their time for money, right? And it's something that not only that you can have and do today, but it's something that you can give to your kids. You can share it with other people. You can even sell the business if you so choose to, but it gives you a lot of options where you don't have to be there. Like I said, even Country Wayne, that little skit was, he had given his daughter, I think she had turned 18 or something, and he gave her a vending machine for her birthday, right? So that's pretty daggone crazy. So people know about it, right? So that's why you would be interested in this. And I don't want to make it seem like some type of get rich quick thing. It's not. Like any business, it requires time, it requires investment of you, of capital. It requires, right? There's going to be some requirements. And so you have to be willing to invest in yourself in order to get the most out of this. So why this? All right. What I'm going to do in this workshop is one, and this is what most people want to learn, is they want to learn how to get funded, right? They want to learn about OPM, other people's money, and they want to learn how to get the money that they need in order to get started, right? So what I can tell you is it doesn't take a lot of money to get started, but there will be some startup fees, and so, or some startup costs, I should say. And so what that means is you will have to, again, invest, right? A lot of this stuff is just investing. And when I say invest, I don't mean like stocks and bonds. And sometimes people get scared when you use those words. What I'm saying about investing is you're going to have to invest time, take the time to learn how to get the money. You may have to talk to banks. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to basically fill out an application, and then you will know whether or not you can get funding or not. And even if that doesn't work, there's other methods that we can use as well. So I'm going to teach you all of that. And I'm also going to teach you how to rinse and repeat it so you can do it as much as you want. All right. Or as little as you want. It's really up to you, because it's your show. It's your business. You're going to run it the way you want to. So why me? I have two vending machines. I had two smart vending machines. They both generate cash flow, right? They both have made money. And I'm going to show you also how to avoid mistakes that I did when I first got started, right? When I first started, I didn't have someone to tell me about shipping dates and deliveries and items and managers and facilities directors and cash flow. I didn't have all of that. So I'm going to walk you through that process so you don't have to spend or waste time and money learning that process, right? So that's why I'm going to teach you it right off the bat, right? So why now? That's good, because the world, as you may already have noticed, the world is going more digital and more passive, all right? I mean, just think about it. We love next day deliveries, right? I can literally order something on my computer and have it the next day. Everybody loves that. My daughter likes to get food, and I get food, and she just says, just order the food and they bring it to the house, right? For us to eat. So we don't even have to go out to to get our food. We don't have to go out for our deliveries. We don't really have to go out for much if we don't want to. And this type of business is the same way. You can make money without having to physically be there. Again, not trading your time for money, but it's somewhat passive. It's not completely passive, but it is somewhat passive. And I'm going to teach you the tools, the strategies, the techniques that you'll need in order to get started in less than 90 days. In less than 90 days. So if all of that sounds interesting to you and you want to learn more, then I want to invite you to click on the link in the description. Go ahead and sign up. And if you have any messages or anything like that, feel free to message me. But let's go ahead and get started. All right. I look forward to working with you. And until the next time, bye.